If you're wondering how to change the currency in your Hostinger account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can update your store currency quickly and correctly inside Hostinger. This is super helpful if you're selling to customers in a different region, launching a new store, or just want your pricing to display in the right currency. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Hostinger guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger dashboard using the account that owns your website or online store. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where all of your hosted sites are managed, so click websites to continue. Next, find the website you want to edit and click Edit Website. This will open the site editor and take you to the tools where you can manage your store settings. Now, on the left-hand menu, click Store. This is the area where Hostinger keeps all the e-commerce options for your website. After that, click Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see the store configuration options, including things like payments, general settings, and currency. Here, look for the Store Settings section and choose the currency you want your store to use. Make sure you pick the correct one, because this affects how prices are displayed to your customers. Once you've selected the right currency, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your Hostinger store currency has now been updated. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page or go back into your store settings to confirm everything saved properly. This is one of those simple changes that can make a big difference when you're managing an online store, especially if you're working with international customers. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick Hostinger tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.